Friends, I'm Sangeeta. Welcome to my channel. Since summers is almost here, here's something that you must get your hands on. And I am talking about Body Cupid's Body Mist. These are the two that I recently got my hands on. This one is the Lily Body Mist and this one is the Cucumber and Melon Body Mist. I have been trying these out and I'm loving this. Let me give you a closer look of the packaging and all the details about them. Here is a closer look at the outer packaging of the Body Cupid Lily Body Mist and the Body Cupid Cucumber and Melon Body Mist. The outer packaging looks very beautiful. Just like the inner packaging, the bottles look cute too. These body mist not only makes you feel refreshed throughout the day, but you smell good throughout the day. The Body Cupid Lily Body Mist has a very light pinkish tint to it and it looks so pretty. If you like floral fragrances, this is the one you must try out. These body mists contain 47% of water, 45% of denatured alcohol, 6% of parfum and 2% of propylene glycol. The Body Cupid Cucumber and Melon Body Mist has a very light greenish tint to it and it has a very calming fruity fragrance to it. The packaging looks very cute. These are plastic bottles, so you can carry them in your bag and you can keep them reapplying whenever it is needed. Power of these body mists are around 3 to 4 hours. These are plastic bottles, so you can carry them in your bag. These 100 ml bottles are priced at rupees 299 and the shelf life is 3 years, and I definitely love how beautiful the packaging looks like. So if you want to get your hands on the Body Cupid Lily Body Mist or the Body Cupid Cucumber and Melon Body Mist, I will leave purchase links in the description of this video. Do check them out and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.